Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you delete one photo from a multiple photos post on Instagram after posting it, then you came to the right place. Today in this video I will show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, and simply right here search for Instagram just like that. Once you find it, make sure you have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and to face no problems. After that, quit from here, open Instagram of course, and from here make sure you are logged into your account, and let's start by finding the multiple photos post. I'm gonna go to my profile, so tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner right here, guys. As you can see in my profile, I have lots of multiple photos posts, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose a random one. Let's say I choose this one at the top right of these posts. I'm gonna tap on it, and let's say I want to maybe delete this one right here. So to delete a photo from here, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post, just like that. And then from here, simply tap on edit. And right here, guys, I'm gonna close the keyboard and then swipe right until I find the picture that I want to delete, and simply tap on the trash can in the top left of it right here. And from here, you need to go ahead and confirm your decision by tapping on delete. The photo will not be deleted permanently, only after 30 days, as you can read, guys. And from here, I'm not gonna do it, I'm just gonna show you how can you do it, guys. So if you want to delete it, just tap on delete. And once you're done to save the changes, tap on the tick button in the top right corner. And that is, guys, basically how can you delete a photo from your multiple photos posts on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos.